Your next car could be the 2022 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.